I think my face is looking very dead right now. Anyways, we are going to Six Flags and I'm just gonna do something simple. And yes, I like putting sunscreen. It's just, even if I don't go out, actually I put it just a little bit because sunscreen is really good on your face. And I actually I don't know, I was trying to compare my skin before and my skin now, and it looks so much better, and it's just so smooth, hydrated, and it looks very healthy. I don't know if my face looks healthy right now, but compared to before that I wasn't using sunscreen, and now that I'm using sunscreen, then I see the difference. Yes. So put here. I feel like whenever you do makeup, you should never skip you should never skip skincare. It's really a very good base for your makeup. Not only you're gonna look so hydrated, it's just you are glowing, you know? Super Stay Skin Tint is a game changer. Like, am I glowing or what? Gosh. I have here some moisturizing balm. Okay. Because sometimes, like, when you put, like, I don't know, I feel like when you put foundation or even like eyeshadow, I think the product gets in your lip or whatever, and it looks so dry for some reason. I don't know. Okay. And then I put some right here, like that. So it's either you use your sponge, or if you have a brush, then whatever you use you're comfortable with, that's how we do it. I always do this. Next, I just want to share my new favorite blush on. It's a blush serum. It's from Anastasia. So this is how it looks like. Serum. And it actually looks like a needle. It's like this metal thing right here. Yeah. And then I like to use my finger, like the warmth of my finger just helps it blend on my skin. But whatever you guys comfortable with. Honestly, before, when, you know, starting doing makeup, I'm always just so intimidated with all the videos that I see. Like, they use so many different types of brushes and everything, and like, I'm so intimidated on what tools I use. But then, like, along the way, I just learned that, okay, I am just going to do whatever works for my skin, for myself, because the best person who knows how to do my beauty routine is myself. So I think I actually have to add a little more. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know if it actually captures like the right color in this light. I'm just using a bathroom light, but if you see it in natural light, it actually looks so good, like summer kiss. Is that what you call it? Sun kiss. Summer kiss. Like that. Sun kiss. One of my favorite features on my face, because I never touch my eyebrows. I never thread, plucked, or whatever. This is virgin eyebrows, baby, and I'm so freaking proud. I mean, yeah. This affordable, incredible blush is from Milani. The popular color that they have is actually called Luminous, but the one that I like it's called Berry Amore, and it's so pretty. You don't know that I'm so insecure with my nose. It's like, I don't know why I did that. Is it right? I don't know. Whatever. We will see. Along the process, if you don't like what you did, it's either you blend it out, do it all over again, put some, I don't know, maybe cover with powder or foundation, then do it all over again. It's not like the end of the world. Usually it was the end of the world for me, but like I learned how to chill. It looks like a useless, random thing that you do on your face, but it actually works. So I don't know if I did right. This is how I do it. You won't even see it actually because it's that simple. I'm just putting some light brown right now, just to add a little hint of color, just natural. I always like, these days I like adding a touch of purple in my eye, but oh my god, see in my eye, I think I just did that just a bit, I guess. Okay, I don't know, adding some purple in your eyes is just a touch of feminine, blending and finding that right perfect shade that works for you, something like that. It just makes you look awake. It's damn girl. That's my mascara right now, and it's just so thick. I love it. I look crazy. So now that we're done with my mascara, I think I'm just gonna brush off the powder right now, just to see. I don't know if you guys noticed I didn't put concealer. Sometimes I just don't like concealer. So I am just satisfied and I'm just contented with my my skin tint. Then I like to put some shimmer on my nose. It's just cute. And look at it, it's just so pretty. It adds a little bit of tint on your lips, which I love. It's perfect for just like daily errands, or you don't really need full coverage for like lipstick. This is so girly. Today's perfume for today is some Arabella. So the trick here is really shake it a lot. And then we spray. And then you kind of like spread it all over your skin. Body glow, got SPF, so just put a little bit of that on my shoulder to give it a little bit of, you know what I mean, like contour on your shoulders and so forth. I'm ready, girl. My hair is crazy. We're gonna see. This is how it looks like on natural light. So you really see the glow, the sun-kissed effect of my makeup.